Hi there, I'm Craig Whitley, and I've spent years in the business and marketing world helping businesses of all shapes and sizes to achieve their goals through effective marketing and sales strategies. Today, I want to talk to you about Go High Level and why it is the ultimate platform for agency success. You see, I'm currently on an extended holiday in Thailand, and with the technology GHL provides, I'm doing two things. First is I'm running my own solar company remotely and pretty much on autopilot, and we'll end up the year with a total in sales of over $2 million. And I'm also leveraging the platform and running an agency helping other solar companies do the same. The latter is actually the most rewarding for me. As I've discovered, I love helping people succeed, and GHL allows me to work from anywhere in the world as long as I have a laptop and internet connection. We have a business making a recurring monthly income. If you've spent any time running an agency or you've dreamed of helping businesses, you know the challenges that come with it. Managing multiple clients and workflows, keeping track of leads and sales, and ensuring that everything is running smoothly can be a daunting task. That's where Go High Level comes in. You see, Go High Level is a comprehensive platform that offers everything you need to manage your agency in one place, with features like lead capture forms, appointment scheduling, automated campaigns, and task management. You'll be able to streamline your workflows and boost your efficiency. One of the key benefits of Go High Level is its ability to help you manage clients effectively. With the platform's client management features, you can keep track of all your clients' information, including contact details, project notes, and history. This makes it easy to keep everything organized and provide the best service possible for your clients. Another key benefit of Go High Level is its analytics and reporting features. With the platform's powerful analytics tool, you can keep track of performance in real time, identify areas for improvement, and make data driven decisions to help your agency grow. Overall, Go High Level is the ultimate platform for agency success. It offers everything you need to manage your agency effectively and efficiently, from lead generation to client management to analytics and reporting. If you're ready to take your agency to the next level, let me help you. I encourage you to learn more about Go High Level and how you can achieve your goals. To learn more about Go High Level and to help you get your agency up and running, I invite you to a free Getting Started course. To learn more about Go High Level and how it can help you and your agency, I invite you to check out my free Getting Started course. This comprehensive course covers everything you need to know to get up and running with Go High Level quickly and easily. In the course, you'll learn how to set up your account, how to use the platform's key features, and how to integrate Go High Level with other tools you may be using currently. You'll also get access to exclusive tips and tricks, and you'll get access to me. 24/7 I'm available through my website where I can help you set up your agency and get you going, and get the most out of the platform. By the end of the course, you'll be on your way to becoming a Go High Level expert and a trusted authority in the agency world. You'll be able to provide better service to your clients, streamline your workflows, and grow your agency faster than ever before. So if you're ready to start or take your agency to the next level, I encourage you to check out my free Getting Started course today. Together, we can help you achieve your goals and build a successful agency that you can be proud of. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the course. Click on the link below and go register for the free course.